Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a super epic knife unboxing to share with you guys. How do you know it's going to be super epic? I know because it was sent by Scott, and if you have watched for any amount of time, you'll know that Scott pretty much only sends epic stuff. I don't think you can still, I think you can still get versions of this, like different, this is a knife that has been around for a bit, but this is an epic version of it. I think there are different variants of it that are available right now, so I'll link any that I can find down below, but this specific one, I don't think you can find it anymore. Thanks to Scott for sending this in for me to take a look at. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay. Let's get into the box. I'm pretty sure he said something about, because he always texts me like, what do you want to look at? If you've never, if you haven't done this yet, you can actually follow, well, I'll get it. I'm sure he's got another one in here. You can follow him on Instagram if you want to take a look at his collection. If you guys think that my collection is epic, anybody who's seen it, you should follow Scott on Instagram. He kindly loans me things. I mean, I don't get to keep this stuff, but he loans me things. He sent me more gloves. He loans me things for, just to share with you guys, for entertainment, right? And it's amazing, right? I mean, the amount of content that I've been able to generate just, from Scott being cool and sending me fun stuff. Let me put these gloves on.
Why does he have to wear gloves? Doesn't he know that knives are supposed to be tools and they're not supposed to be yelling?
Shut up. You know what the deal is. You know what the deal is here. All right. These are probably going to be pretty shiny, and nobody likes fingerprints, right? So anyways, what we've got here, yeah, this is what I was expecting. Oh boy. Oh yes. Ah, wonderful. So this is the first time that I've actually handled one with, ooh, that's cool. Nice touch there. That's cool that you got one of the 3-hole, probably a steel flame clip made for an Emerson knife that will actually fit this because, ProTech takes the 3 holes. That's cool. So anyways, this is a ProTech rock eye in like the bronze scales that are textured. God, I should have pulled the trigger on this. Well, isn't that just wonderful? Wow. Another fumble on my part. I looked at this and I was like, yeah, I don't know. Do I want it? Yeah. And, that's just me. That's the sound that I make when I'm being dumb. That's the sound that comes out of my stupid face hole when I'm looking at something going, I don't know if I'm in. God dang it. This is amazing. This is beautiful. I've always wanted a mirror ProTech, and I keep telling myself I'm holding out for the right one. I'm holding out for the right one. This was probably the one to get. God, this is epic. So the rock eye is absolutely one of the best models from ProTech. This thing is just insane. Perfect centering too. Man, the weight on these makes it wonderful. Power is absolutely ridiculous. The ProTech rock eye, which is based on, well, it's based on the rock eye, but a lot of people say it's based on the VECP. The VECP is based on a custom rock eye, right? So this is a production collaboration between ProTech and Les George. Wow, man, ProTech does a mean mirror finish. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at that texturing there. Beautiful. Oh, man. This just looks so much better in person than it did in the pictures, and I don't know why. I, for some reason, just thought that I wouldn't like this variant, and I went back and looked because I was like, no, maybe I would like it. People are always like, his face reveal in the mirror finish. I've shown my face before. Yeah, I went back and looked because I was like, maybe I do want that, and, they were all gone, or at least in the places that I looked. So that's just spectacular. Very beautiful. Okay, and this other one This says Les George Custom FM1 with Chad Nichols Sanmai Damascus and black Damascus accent and a mirror blue ano. Okay, Scott. Here we go. There's two. What the heck? I remember seeing this on your... Let me move this. Not because I want to take away from that one, but I don't want to drop. I remember seeing this bad boy on your Instagram. Man, that is just beautiful. Oh, God. That dark Sanmai. Look at that, how the core comes out. I've never seen that, where we have a really low, so they must have done that on purpose. Really interesting. Look at this. You see the core, the jacket is higher up, right? We got a short sleeve jacket and a long sleeve jacket. Man. I think this is the first time I've ever handled a Les George Custom. Oh boy. This is running on phosphor bronze, and it has that typical Les George smoothness. So, you know, it's like a lot of you, I'm sure, have handled Chris Reeve knives. It's like that, but way smoother. It's not nearly as tight. A lot of people call it hydraulic. I mean, yeah, but like way, way, way smoother for phosphor bronze. Man, that is gorgeous. Look at that beautiful chunk of black Damascus, or a lot of people say zircotai, but it's not like the original zircotai, but it's zirconium infused titanium Damascus. Absolutely beautiful. This is cool. I feel like, Scott, did you have this work done to this knife? Maybe I should read a little bit more. Hold on. Yeah, let's see. The custom Les George isn't... hold on, I want to shoot it. I mod almost all my productions, but for the customs, have always wanted to stay true to the maker's vision. But this custom Les George is an exception. I bought it as a canvas. Originally, it had a plain stonewash tie frame, matching 3D milled clip, and a show side superconductor inlay. Nice, but pretty utilitarian. That's George's style. No frills. I agree that's absolutely true. It's a quality tool. This had potential. So then he had James, or here, I'm going to share this person's Instagram with you. Right here, this gentleman right there, which I'm not going to say, but he said he had that person for a custom. He had James make a custom black Damascus inlay. He also did a matching black Damascus clip in the same style as George's original clip, to be respectful there. Then I had Lindy and Richie, and you guys probably know Knife Modders, right? If you don't follow them as well. Dual mirror polish on the tie, and then a sky blue ano to complement the black Damascus. Very, very beautiful. They do, Lindy and Richie do a great job. This is, I've handled a few things now through Scott that, you know, is work done by them, and they just seem to do a great job. This is really cool. It's nice to finally get to handle a Les George Custom. I got to say, though, this I really should have bought. I really feel stupid now for not having this in my collection. Scott, if you ever decide to sell this, I know what those clips go for. I'd probably just keep the original clip on it. But if you ever decide to sell the knife, oh man, that is super cool. Okay, that is going to be pretty much it for the unboxing. I will definitely do a separate video on this guy. This guy might get a separate video just because it's been a while since they've released it, and this is kind of a special, cool version of it. So anyways, very fun stuff. Thanks again. Make sure to follow Scott at Sierra_bound on Instagram. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.